Last episode, we exposed the illusion of skill, but today, we expose something more dangerous. Not the market, not the banks, not the strategy, you. Pause. The addiction to being right. You don't lose money because you're unlucky. You lose money because you need to be right. You move your stop loss because you're sure it will come back. You add more to a losing trade because you know your analysis is correct. You refuse to close because admitting you're wrong feels like weakness. But here's the truth. Professional traders don't need to be right. They need to survive. Needing to be right is the trap. Needing to survive is the edge. Choose your edge. When you're on demo, you're calm, you're disciplined, you follow rules. Why? Because it's not your money. But when it becomes real, your heart rate increases, your breathing changes, your ego wakes up. Demo teaches platform mechanics. Live trading reveals your character. That's why demo is not just practice. It's psychological training. Practice patience. Practice exiting. Practice losing small. The market doesn't care about your confidence. It cares about your discipline. Imagine stepping into a boxing ring. You studied your opponent. You watched their patterns. You know their strengths. That's demo trading. Now imagine stepping into the ring without preparation. That's live trading without discipline. The market is your opponent. Before you fight it, understand how it moves. Study structure. Study liquidity. Study impulse shifts. Don't rush into battle because you feel ready. The market humbles the impatient. Enter trained, not eager. Here's where most traders destroy their accounts. Revenge. You take a loss. Instead of accepting it, you double down. You increase lot size. You remove your stop loss. You try to win it back. That's not trading. That's gambling. Losses are not personal attacks. They are business expenses. Professionals cut losses fast. Amateurs fight the market. And the market always wins that fight. Step back before you swing again. Trade the plan, not the pain. Detach, decide, defend risk. The most powerful sentence in trading is, "I was wrong." Say it. Close the trade. Move on. No drama, no emotion, no revenge. Every time you cut a loss quickly, you gain power. Every time you let it run, you lose control. Consistency isn't built from big wins. It's built from small losses. Control the downside. Let upside be optional. Discipline is a timer, not a feeling. Reset your state, then return. Keep it clean. Keep it small. Keep it going. The war isn't against banks. It's not against market makers. It's not against liquidity. It's against your ego. If you can control your position size, your stop loss, your reaction, you win the long game. Trading is not about being right. It's about managing risk while being wrong. Lower ego, higher account life. Calm hands, clear plan. Risk first, always. If part 1 exposed the illusion of skill, part 2 exposes the illusion of control. You don't control the market. You control entries, exits, risk, behavior. Master that, and you become dangerous. If this hit you personally, good. That means you're learning. Like this video. Share it with a trader who needs to hear this. Subscribe, because part 3 goes even deeper. In the description, I've shared the tools I use to stay disciplined and structured. Study them, apply them, and stop fighting the market emotionally.